Welcome to today's practice. My name is Alexis and we will do a quick 10-minute Tai Chi workout for beginners. To get optimal health, we need to make sure we move every day. It is important that you make the time to practice daily. The Taoist says that it takes 100 days to create a foundation. You plant the seed, you cultivate, and then at the end we harvest. So in the same way, in order to achieve something great, we need to put the effort, and then we will be able to enjoy the fruits of our actions. So Tai Chi every day will make you feel more flexible and also will help you transform your energy. We will start with putting our feet together and float your arms up and down. You come up and then float down. You fly like a bird. Inhale as you go up, exhale as your hands float down. Deep breath from the nose, inhale and exhale. Now move your feet at shoulder width apart. We're gonna do opening the flow movement. So we move our hands up and then down. So we float up, we straighten the legs a little bit, and then we bend the knees and we float our hands down. Flow up and down. Rise up and down. Relaxed movements, shoulders relaxed. Now float your hands up to the sides, open your heart. Inhale and then exhale, palms embracing the tree. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, breathe in, exhale. Collect the energy and draw the energy from around you. Now we step one hand forward, 1 foot forward, and then bring our hands back and then push forward. We breathe in, inhale, and then push any negative energy, exhale. Now bring your hands together, embrace the tree, and then move to the other side. Bring 1 foot forward, and then push the energy out. Collect, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now we return to embrace the tree. Hold this position. Inhale and exhale deeply. Feel the energy circulating in your body. Now we're going to embrace the moon by moving palms facing each other. Inhale and then exhale. We move up and then we bend our knees slightly and go down. Feet together, hands in front of you. Close your eyes and feel the energy circulating in your body. Once more, we start floating up and down. Connect with your energy. Open the flow. Embrace the tree, move the energy down. Move through your center. Expand your heart, collect the energy and push down. Feet forward, push the energy. Collect positive energy and send any negative energy out. Feet together, embrace the tree. Move to the other side, feet forward. Relax movements. Embrace the tree, embrace the moon. Slow movements. Bring the energy between heaven and earth. Collect this ball of positive energy. You can pulse and feel the energy as well. Feel the yin and yang. Embrace the tree. Move the energy down. Inhale. Exhale. Hands in the belly. Breathe in, expand your belly. Breathe out, bring the navel towards the spine. Close your eyes and connect with the energy. I hope you have enjoyed this practice. Connect with your energy and take this beautiful energy with you for the rest of the day. See you soon. Namaste.